What if your diamond didn't just sparkle? It glowed with the warmth of golden sunlight. Yellow diamonds are nature's masterpiece, blending rarity, beauty, and a touch of luxury. But buying one isn't like choosing a classic white diamond. In just 2 minutes, we'll show you everything you need to know, from color intensity to smart shopping tips, so you can find your perfect yellow diamond with confidence. Yellow diamonds are part of the elite, fancy color diamond family. Their stunning hue comes from tiny traces of nitrogen, which paint the stone in shades from soft lemon to vibrant canary. While white diamonds lose value as they turn yellowish, true yellow diamonds, starting at fancy light, are celebrated for their rich color. The stronger the yellow, the rarer and more valuable the diamond. In fact, only about 1 in 16,500 carats mined is a yellow diamond. Yellow diamonds are graded by color intensity, from faint to fancy vivid. A fancy light yellow diamond is the most affordable, starting around $2,500 per carat. But a fancy vivid, the rarest and most intense, can reach $15,000 per carat. Secondary hues, like orange or brown, also affect price. Orange can increase value, while brown may lower it. Always ask for a GIA certificate to confirm the diamond's natural color and true attributes. When shopping, prioritize color and cut. Yellow diamonds are often cut to maximize color, not brilliance, so avoid poor symmetry or polish. Opt for good or very good cuts. Clarity is less critical. Most yellow diamonds are naturally clean, and SI1 stones are usually eye-clean. Carat weight impacts price exponentially, so a 0.5 carat diamond is much more affordable per carat than a 1 carat stone. For the best value, consider oval or cushion cuts instead of rounds, which hide color less effectively. Want to make your yellow diamond pop? Mount it in yellow gold. The gold's reflection intensifies the diamond's hue, making even a fancy light look more vibrant. This trick can save you money while maximizing the stone's natural beauty. Yellow diamonds are more than just jewelry. They're a statement of individuality and elegance. Now that you know the secrets, you're ready to shop with confidence. Whether you choose a soft lemon or a dazzling canary, your yellow diamond will be as unique as you are. Ready to find your